At the back of the DRO guide, you'll find a map detailing all of the situations that may occur when processing electors. Let's review how to use it. This is what the full process map looks like. You will use it to follow through each step of processing an elector. All scenarios for processing an elector start at D1 in the guide. In this example, the elector is found in the ePoll book, so you would go to D2 to confirm the elector's information is correct, and then to D3 to issue a ballot. In this scenario, the elector is found, but their information is incorrect, and you must revise their name. You would follow the process map to R1 for instructions on how to revise the elector's name. Then you would go to R4 to capture their e-signature, and lastly, D3 to issue a ballot. Here, the elector's information is incorrect, and you must revise their address. In this scenario, you would follow the process map to R2 for instructions on how to revise the elector's address. Then you would go to R4 to capture their e-signature, and finally, to D3 to issue a ballot. In the last scenario, the elector cannot be found in the ePoll book, so you would follow the map to R3 for instructions on adding the elector. Next, follow the map to R4 to capture the elector's e-signature, and finally to D3 to issue the ballot.